Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Bitcoin update, and we are at $99,000, $100,000, and we're consolidating a little bit. Today's Friday. We have weekends coming up, so be careful. Weekends are not very ideal to trade. There are some few things that I want to show you here. So first of all, let's head on to this 15 minutes chart right now. And first of all, actually overall, we will see 4-hour time frame, right? This is the starting overview, and the overview is that we have a trend line that Bitcoin is finding difficult to break right now. We have this resistance, we have this resistance, and we have another resistance right over there, and basically that's pretty much how things are looking like right now. And also keep in mind, we have a huge distribution, huge head and shoulders, which is still not destroyed as far as I explained in yesterday's update. So left shoulder head, the right shoulder, and this pump is still within the distribution. So it's a very huge distribution right now. There's a huge sell-off going on, and I've actually been noticing a lot of this movement, right? This is totally very messed up patterns coming up for Bitcoin, which doesn't really give me a lot of confidence. We have huge bearish divergence with the RSI being sold off at the moment. So at some point we're looking for the RSI to get oversold, but time will tell. But now let's get into 15 minutes time frame. So when you're trading this 15 minutes time frame, you can see that the trend line that I showed you on the 4-hour time frame is difficult. You can see we got the rejection here and another rejection. We try to break above, but then again we head inside the triangle one more time, and it has been like that. The next thing is that we have a little bit of ascending broadening wedge. If I do drop in this trend line like that, we have this trend line that on the 15 minutes time frame, it's a very small pattern, but it's a bearish one, and you have broke to the downside. You're coming up for the retest, and you could actually drop a little bit lower to $99,000. So when you make it all the way down to $99,000, let's look at what the 4-hour time frame is going to look like. Now the 4-hour time frame has 5 minutes left to close by the time I'm recording the video, and you can see that this closing is not good. It's actually a bearish closing. We have one green, one red, and this is a bearish harami, and the next candles can actually be to the downside. Now that's the 4-hour time frame. What about the daily time frame? Let's look at the daily, and the daily looks like this. You have a hanging man right next to that particular resistance. Now can you do something where you just pop to the upside and retest? Maybe we could actually see Bitcoin moving up, or from here you could actually move down, because that's exactly where you move down once, you move down twice, and this could actually be thrice. And then the next technical target could also become as low as to $90,000. There's a huge wick, and something tells me that this wick is not really good. So we could actually see this wick being taken out and move all the way down to maybe $85,000. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.